Today we are going to learn how to stop errors in judgment while investing in the stock market. Financial expert Amrita will elaborate on this now.
There is a primal mode of thinking, there is a rational mode of thinking. And by the way, it is this primal mode of thinking that leads to various behavioral errors. So, what is behavioral bias? Behavioral bias comes from the primal mode of thinking. It is a mistake, it is a kind of prejudice because it relies on various shortcuts, guesstimates, first ideas that comes to our mind. And when you are relying on shortcuts, estimates, and the first idea that is coming to your mind, it is called heuristics. Here is the spelling of heuristics, H-U-U. RISTICS. When you are relying too much on gut feelings, too much on guesswork, shortcuts that we take, skimming through data rather than reading through it, it is all using again your shortcut brain, which is your rapid brain, fast brain, system one, primal brain, whatever you can call it. And that leads to prejudice, that leads to erroneous outcome, wrong judgment, because your feelings are interrupting your psychology, your mental makeup, the anxiety level, all this is interfering and intervening.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.